How to delete your profile picture on Yelp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete your profile picture on Yelp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Yelp app. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Then go to this Me option on the bottom. After you're there, your profile will load and there you'll see your profile picture as well. Tap on the profile picture and your profile picture will open up. Tap on the three dots on the bottom right and there you'll find the remove photo option. Tap on it and tap on remove to confirm it. After that, your profile picture will be removed. As you can see, your photo will be removed shortly and there we go, it's now gone. And that's basically how you delete your profile picture on Yelp. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more and bye bye, take care.